In this tutorial, I'll show you how to loop a short animation. The text object is following a curve path, and it's 100 frames long. The text object's length is same as the entire animation's length. The background image's scaling in and out animation is only 50 frames long, but it's being looped twice in the animation. I'll show you how to loop a short animation by using Blender's built-in features. Let's import an external image. I'll share the link in the description below. R, Z, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the Z axis. S to scale. Let's create a curve circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please remember to press the 3D button. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. In edit mode, let's move some of the vertices like this. Now we can add a text object and constrain it to follow the curve. I'll extrude the text object a bit. Let's add the follow path constraint. It's kind of tricky to find the correct axis combination. Please try lowering the influence to avoid too much movement of the text. We can resize the curve to control the movement as well. Please experiment with the settings to bring out the best looking result. If the text object was moved, rotated, or scaled, please press Ctrl+A to reset all transforms. The follow path animation is set to 100 frames by default. It's time to create a background scaling animation that is 50 frames long. By default, the entire animation's length is set to 250. Please change the length to 100 frames. I have set keyframes on 1 and 100, scaled the image on frame 50 and set a new keyframe on frame 50 as well. That way, we'll have a looping animation that is 50 frames long. But that will only last for half of the animation, because our animation's full length is 100. To loop the short animation throughout the entire animation, we must use the Loop feature under Animation tab like this. Please be sure to change the window to nonlinear animation to do this. Please click the image to confirm we're working on the correct object. The idea is to use the Action Clip window to the right. If you don't see the Properties window like this, type N to bring it up. Also, the default window will look like this. Please click the NLA track, and change to the Stry tab. Only under Stry, we'll see the action clip setting that we need. This is where we control the length, repeat, and other features that will affect the 50-frame animation. To make this animation repeat once again, we could use Shift-D to duplicate and drag the new animation beside the old one like this. This is one way to do it, but there's a better way. Let's undo. Change the repeat to 2, and that will play the 50-frame animation twice. If we change 50 to 25, the animation will repeat and end at 50, because 25 times 2 is 50. Please experiment with the settings to get the best result. We can also freely move the animation to make it play when we want it to. This is a must-have knowledge for all Blender animators, but most people don't know where the features are hiding inside the application. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.